How to recover WhatsApp messages without backup. First of all, you have to open the file managers on your Android device. Or you can also say it files or my files as per your mobile device settings. So let's open it. So once you get access to your file manager, you have to scroll down and select internal storage at the bottom left corner of the screen under storage devices and then select Android on this page. Now you have to select the data option or you have to come back from here and select media. Now on this page you will see com.whatsapp option. Select the folder and now select WhatsApp. Once you open it, here you will see the option of databases. Open it and here you will see different kinds of files. You simply need to tap and hold and select every files from here. Now you have to select the three dots at the top right corner and select copy to. Now go to internal storage, Android, media and com.whatsapp option and here select add new folder and enter the name and select copy to folder option. Once you have done that, your WhatsApp messages will be recovered soon without backup. So that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.